What is going on? Do you guys have reservation?
No, we were told that we could make the reservation on the train.
Yeah, same. But I think everyone before had a reservation.
Yeah, but I think they came from Greece, most of them, then they went out.
Oh.
Tamo, posle vajde. Sorry? Tamo. Koji vagon, 10 minutes train. Hey, Ljubče, kad će vi za... Ajde. Prva strana tredija. Ne. Alo.
Mora da se koga iskopne karte. Joj. Koji je otak?
27. 27. Ano.
Norton.
Oh right, yeah.
Je, drugo polje, ajde. 36 evra svi. 6 evra o jedan. Ja kušam još 20, ok. Fine, ja.
Thank you. Just never take a mile.
Everyone's just arguing the whole time. Right, Norton, apparently we get that train to Belgrade. Do we get on this one? We might have to get a tram into the centre of Belgrade. I'm guessing that's not us. Here we are. Okay, good news, it's not too far, but apparently it's quite hard to find. So we are there in that square, and it's just there. So I reckon 5-minute walk.
We need a breakfast first.
I found it anyway. I had to go into a shop and ask someone, and she didn't know, so she googled it, and it just said it was up here. It's not obvious, is it? To be fair, I asked the woman in the shop, and literally like 3 or 4 shops down, and she didn't know where it was. Hope we don't see Tito, I don't know that. Tito's desk, Tito's head, Tito's train, Tito's arms. All of this is just like people making their own batons and giving it to him on his birthday because he told them, I want you to give me batons on my birthday. Laps have you done, Norton?
33.5.
Oh wow.
Might have a nice quite a nice one tonight.
It's such a one-sided museum, isn't it?
Yeah, I might have a quite a nice one.
Oh, he's sexy. Karl Marx is pretty cool as well. Tyler, I mean these guns are big, but have you seen Norton's guns? Free walking tour. Free walking tour. Free walking tour. Free walking tour.
Look, something you guys were getting.
You know, Serbia is a historical name, Croatia is a historical name, but Yugoslavia is a made-up name.
Not enjoying the free walking tour. Free walking tour. Free walking tour.
The vlogs are actually going to get boring if you just keep saying free walking tour.
No, they're not. Free walking tour.
See what, the vlogs are never going to get finished.
They are crazy.
Absolutely 8 vlogs on the back of that bad boy.
That's what I look like all the time.
Look at them.
There'd be absolutely no feeling in that.
That's ridiculous. It's old, this place, isn't it?
You don't say.
Norton, what do you think of this?
Terrible.
Henry, what do you think of this? I think it's a very cool place.
This is so, look at that. Yeah, no.
Are we gonna go there? Don't worry.
Why? Shut up, please.
Wow.
Welcome to Belgrade.
This is so beautiful. So beautiful.
Do it, Shane.
Wait, Norton, what do you think of this?
Terrible.
Okay.
Shut up.
No one doing marry me? I'm actually ducking into this when I go past.
Would you just look at that view? Would you just look at that view?
So that's like the Danube and the other one is.
Both of these are Danube, and that coming from there, from the left, is Sava. This is where they meet. Can you see different colors?
No!
Follow me.
No! If I look back. No, look back, the other way.
And as you know, this is the free walking tour guide, works for tips. You can tip as much as you want.
Free walking tour Belgrade.
Used to have
Norton
videos.
recommends.
I don't at all. Never
just
come
said you
back.
liked it.
I know it's done on camera. I don't like it filming.
You're in desperate need of a hair conditioner. Greasy ass hair, mofo. Sorry. Can we not put that in the vlog? It's definitely going in the vlog now.
But it is 2 whole litres. It's 2 whole litres and it was a £1. That's like 3.5, 4 pints for a £1. That's perfect, that.
30p a pint.
Jel imate neki savjet? Tek dolazim.
A tek ćeš da ideš?
Da,
samo
Belgrade. Jel imate neki savjet za njega?
Sarajevo mnogo lepo, mislim lepo, ja sam bio...
Yes, boys!
Are you filming right now? No.
True sense.
Cameron, you're gonna have to run, so how are these?
It's only like 6:45.
Okay, we'll say that when he misses the bus.
6:42. Hello, can I leave the key?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you.
Bye.
What a bean.
Henry!
Yeah, what?
Yeah, we pulled up.
You have booking?
Oh no, you called for...
Yeah. No, not you.
No problem.
I think it's literally a Nissan Micra or something.
Ford.
Is it?
I checked in 29,000.
What's your name?
James.
James.
Yeah.
Ja sam Bunney.
Hey, that's for you.